Looks like some wild price action today. We're gonna do a market recap, catch the close, check out some crypto after. All aboard! Hey, good afternoon, traders. Hope you're all having a great day. We're gonna catch the market close here, go into some crypto, do a nice summary, see where everything's headed next. Let's go. Very volatile. Forex is going crazy. S&P running it up to the very end. Yeah, wow, Spy is right. It's a big move. Is it gonna hold up? That's the question. Big developments. Potentially final chop. Tesla's doing the opposite. If Tesla's still melting to the very end. Gotten spicy. And dollars just hovering right around 105. Also extremely volatile. This is the last push on S&P. Is it gonna hold up? Is this move gonna continue from here? We're not gonna know till tomorrow. So today's interesting because there's crazy stuff going on, but it's not finalized. It's not permanent yet. I don't trust it. I don't fucking trust it.
777.
We got Jerry, Curry, the Servant, Sodaline, Hyphen, 5420, Stock Wizard, Matrix Green Pro, Rest Suspect, Not Bored Enough, Larry. I know you guys think I'm holding strong crypto, we'll get to that. Robert Dog. Pickles, headset. Yeah, we'll just have a condensed show today. Started for an hour and a half, kind of run through all our favorites, bigger market picture. There's a lot longer term, pointing out short term, it's just going crazy. Did you know the short squeeze was today? My goodness, HTG, this thing went up 100%. Again. Trippy issues 2 days in a row. Wow. Guys, it's up 13%. Holy fuck, that caught me by surprise. 13%, that's like the most green Meta has ever been in one day. That deserves quick recognition. AJ Hut. Something happened. This one, HTG, fucking up. No, 700% now in like 2 days. And this was red for the longest time. Could Metin be about to do this? what is next? So, no giving up, no giver uppers. So I'm here to come out shock. Clearly, stuff's hanging in there right now. That's the most red charts that are going the most green. You see all these other double digits, grayscale, stellar, lumens. Yeah. Zones haven't exactly been trending up. Lots of these all-time low levels. They're on top of the watch list. Delix has been. Not sure if anyone's still holding that, but there's never been a reason to get out of it. So, kinda like TAL right now. Tal's kicking ass. The queen chart. Okay, a little bit top there, as expected, because it's not gonna clear the $7 breakout spot completely yet until we get more of a dollar dip. I'm not convinced we're gonna get more of a dollar dip right yet. Hopefully y'all got a chance to catch the weekend update video on Discord. Here, Shingus. I'll see you're on there. Look at this old line, orange. That carries over. So that's a thing. That's happening. So that's why it's sitting at 105 right now. Dollar breeding green, not stopping S&P from running it up, but notice Bitcoin 0.00%. Suspicious, right? And it's not really all the S&P charts that are green right now. Okay, we'll get back to dollars. Tesla's getting nailed. Hey, Betos. Captain's monitor broke. He's on the backup. I'll get myself a Christmas present. Shingu says hopefully SPY booms tomorrow. There's a lot of FOMO kicking in on it all at once there, and I think like half the S&P charts are going up and half are going down essentially. Apple going up, whereas Tesla going down. It's kind of mixed right now. Google can bounce from there, hasn't really started yet. Microsoft going up. So I don't see why those would stop just tomorrow. I think this at least would carry over to the morning there. Another spike up, but be careful, because I'm expecting it to be choppy all week. And this is how it's been the past few days on it last week. We can get more of that. And even though it looks like it would continue, it could also drop right back down tomorrow. So S&P itself's kind of up in the air, and that's what's interesting about this finish here. It's finishing straight up strong as fuck. It's like that should continue into tomorrow morning, at least hit 400. But that's where, right, so we're at 399 now. There you're in 30 seconds. Well, federal news tomorrow. That's why we gotta be a bit careful, because this can all be premature speculation into tomorrow's event. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, interesting. So I wanted to do a recap here. I guess it's important. Make sure you're not getting lost in the sauce. Just can't really throw people off. Okay. So that's Microsoft on the right, finishing pretty far up too. And it's just this whole choppy area. So even though it looks like that would continue at least into the morning, we could be in for a lot of chop. And tomorrow, all of this gets reversed. So there's a good chance this gets wiped out. Let's go look at the picture here. How are we gonna get all the good stuff? Handful of double digits on the day. Most of them were all-time low kind of charts. Come back with a vengeance, met in fucking 13%. Oh my goodness. It's interesting. So it's still a lot of bounce action going on right now. Rather than breakouts, there's not many breakouts occurring. And it could be that case till the end of the year. That would make a lot of sense. We'll just get nice bounces, but there's choppy on like fucking Tesla, S&P stuff. They don't have to do anything too crazy either way over the next 2 weeks, very end of the year. There's Tesla. Some of these are in danger, like Tesla can still bounce from this area, go further up over the next few months even. There's no sign of that yet. Why does it have to do that in the next 2 weeks? It probably won't. it's probably gonna go down more first. Just fuck around more this week, chop around, and eventually make it up there. Microsoft, it's already pretty far up. Does not have to continue there right now. Because they're only dip back down, green line, then go. Video's pretty far up there as well. So it's kind of like the S&P at 400 levels. It's like, well, does S&P have to clear 400 in the next 2 weeks? It might not. These are pretty far up already. They're kind of overdue for retracement. And then it could go further. So if the S&P was doing this, acting strong like that, and all these were bounced already, be like, okay, well, we're gonna get tons of green from here. These things are sketchy right now. These might not go up any further just yet. So I do feel like the S&P is pretty mixed. Ultimately, it's been strong, stable for a couple months. Trying to go over 400. But is that gonna happen like right now? Very end of the year, hit a big number next couple weeks. It looks like it could, but it might not. We might not clear this area by then. So we could just chop around this area all week, and maybe we'll get some follow through tomorrow morning, but it's the lows again before anything bigger were to happen, right? So I don't want anyone to jump into conclusions with this one spike up S&P there. It's 1.5% green. It's not quite like this back here. That could have been kind of the temporary top on it still for now. And I wouldn't be surprised at all being unable to clear that over the next couple of weeks. We do actually hit one of these support levels again, and then it goes. Okay, so just be careful, like FOMOing in. Try not to get too excited with that S&P spike right there of like, oh, it's definitely gonna close over 400 this week and keep going after that. This could be a short-lived spike, and tomorrow with the news and everything turns around again, and then it's actually breaking down more. So I'm not convinced that's real right yet. I don't trust it. Just be careful with that. I think it's just chop. But I do like what I'm seeing on a lot of the undervalued plays. Smashing way up every day, really. Getting double digits on the ones that are low. Alright. Also, okay. Let's talk about dollar for a minute. So a lot of that has to do with the dollar, but it's not really going directly 1-to-1 right now. Like dollar was actually green, but so is S&P. Why aren't we going to get? Well, again, I think the S&P is just some chop there. This is the actual more important, bigger move. The dollar has the bigger influence on crypto and everything, right? So the S&P, that short-term move, that chop, can just get reversed depending on what happens here. And it's been trending down for as long as the S&P's been strong there. So they have been going over the months together inversely like that. Just not exactly like day to day, candle to candle. All the volatility, and that's what's tricky about it. It gets confusing. So this is what's important, is actually trying to clear that trend line in blue. And that's been in place for a few months now. October, November. That's what 105 is right here. That's why it's hanging around 105 all day like that. So that's actually trying to clear that resistance trend line. Act as a bit of a breakout itself on dollar. Kind of overdue for a bounce on this. Could be the news tomorrow. Dollar spikes up. S&P goes down. And we'll take it from there. Okay, so basically S&P's only gonna finish the year over 400 if dollar keeps going down from here. Right now. That might not happen until the new year. There's a bit of a speed bump area there. So that could linger, top around. Alright, so obviously the other currencies are a big part of that. The euro and the pound. And like, we're not gonna see this finale today. This is like all week I'm putting in the move. But tomorrow there should be more progress there, development, so planning to go live for end of the day again tomorrow. Probably every day this week. There hasn't been much to stream on crypto overnight lately. And the nights over the weekend is like 17,000 Bitcoin the whole time. Look at that spike though. But kind of spicy. It's moving fast, it's just not making it very far. If I tell you anyway. Yeah, hang tight for Carvana. It's kind of like TAL at 7 there ish. It's still building up. Hasn't cleared completely. Carvana's still building up under 5 or just around 5. Not there completely, so it's good representation. Kinda where things are at the very moment. It is moving one of the fastest. Alright, so there's a epic opportunity down there. Congrats to anyone who pitched that. Nice job. It was a quick scout at Tommy. Now it's more the long-term hold, or the swing even. But is it gonna clear $5 by the end of the year over the next 2 weeks? Maybe not. Could go down to 4 for a week, and then 5 the next week, and then the brand new year is going for it. That would be reasonable, that would be expected. We better just expect that, rather than, oh, it's for sure gonna go to 7 immediately. So this is one of the strongest things right now, and it's a bounce. It's really the bounces rather than the breakouts that are going. If anything's gonna do it's Carvana, but it's still being at 495 right now. That's a sign. That's a sign that maybe not yet. Maybe it hits the low one more time for secondary entries, right? So it's real spicy. Stuff is trying to get through those levels, but it is not there yet, and that's like the S&P at 400. Really. I wish at 410 even. It should be in at 399. Finishing that day with a big spike up S&P, but finishing 399, not clearing this level. I don't trust it. We gotta be ready for some chop, some fuckery. We've got a lot of early signals, but no real follow through. So I'm actually already expecting for dollar to spike up, not go below 105 just yet. Similarly, all those things together, and then we have the pound and the euro. Wow, so here's the British pound. It's been pounded on the dollar during our crypto crunches when crypto's been running up. It's been helping us in our favor like that, going against the dollar. but as strong as it's been, it's also not gotten the follow through. Like, all we've had is those early signals, we've had those alerts, those developments that it is going to be going further up at some point, sooner or later. This is months ago. That's what it's telling us. And then we'll go get a major pivot up in that area, rather than right here, right now. But it's still choppy as fuck in that area in the short term currently. So that's pretty messy, and it hasn't like actually gotten followed through from that spot until we actually see that. And then it's just going to be building up. So if even that's not getting the breakout yet, the follow through, then like, how's the S&P going to follow through 400? You see what I'm saying? So we can expect some more chop before those real critical moves get put in. It would make more sense that because this has gone up so much, it actually cools off for a couple of weeks again, retesting some of the support before clearing through with the follow through. And that's what causes the dollar to spike up for the next couple of weeks. Hope you're able to follow me there. If not, go back and rewatch it, because it made perfect sense. That's a bit complex for newer traders if you weren't able to follow what I just went through. Rewatch the whole last like half an hour, because it is all connected like that. So because the euro and pound are chopping around there, so show the euro too. This whole area, we've only gotten breakout signals, no follow through yet. Same thing we were talking about crypto with Litecoin like a week ago. We're hitting 85 Litecoins. We're breaking out on the pound, but it's not gotten the follow through still a whole week later. So probably not until the new year. What does that mean for crypto? Well, it's been strong. I'm impressed. This bounce back is pretty nice right now today. Dash doesn't give a fuck. 5%. I never went down. Oh, yeah, legit, never went down. It's only been going further and further up on Dash. So we're gonna still be hyped for how strong crypto is. Good. Nothing really to worry about there. It's just the question of like these breakouts. We could even say right here, Dash at 49. 50 is a important psychological number on Dash. Is it gonna clear 50? With this breakout attempt? Is anything gonna be able to clear those levels, like TAL at 7? Metamaterials. Well, that metamaterials move. Go to a real chart. This whole green zone's breakout box. Long-term chart from under 1 on its way to 5, but it wasn't able to clear the breakout box, so it dropped back down to the lower end of it. This is all a sign that like stuff's just not quite ready to full send to hit. Materials hit $5 just yet. It'll fuck around here for 2 more weeks and then the new year can go. That makes way more sense. So if that's where all these are at, then the same with the S&P really. Right. Like if we don't have any follow through on any of these ones yet, so let's just expect some chop and volatility until the new year things settle in. And then we can get all those breakout completions, finish this rally off. Because we're still in the middle of this rally, and to be clear, this is the end of year rally that I've been talking about for 2 or 3 months now, and we're right in the middle of it and still on metamaterial chart. If that's the bottom and that's the top target, it's right in the middle. Yeah, Gavin, you got that right. Check that out in a second. We're just getting the crypto. So to be clear, this is the end of year rally, so halfway there, but it's now becoming more like a new year rally because we're so far through it already. So I think just build up for a couple more weeks into the new year rally, and then we can finish off all these moves, hit those targets. So this is normal right now. This is the kind of stuff we would be expecting, just kind of some mind games, not clearing breakouts yet, but strong bounces on undervalued plays still nonetheless. That's why it's impressive on Dash. It didn't even go down at all. It just keeps climbing up and up and up every day. Or every week even. Feels like every day. Because it practically is, but it goes in bursts where it'll spike up like 5-10%. Go 0% a few days, spike up 5-10%, go 0. Yeah, so it continues to impress. I never doubt it for a second, but being that the case on those other charts, we don't actually see any chop here. Even Litecoin had a chop down. Not bad, like really not anything at all. Oh, let's go straight up right now. My crypto crew wouldn't give a fuck, like we eat those straight costs for breakfast. So that's already totally recovered to whatever it was red there this morning. Last night mostly dollar was spiking around and it can do it more tonight. So it is great to see on our crypto still behaving very strong. There's no problems here at all. Really worry about Litecoin, even if it continues to be choppy for a couple weeks, right? So we could still get all that chop on crypto and not really clear the breakout yet. Maybe it's not able to get through 85 till the new year. Seems reasonable. 2 more weeks chopping around that area, building up, and then it gets the full send. We could be going right here, right now, all the way straight shot up, right? If the S&P actually does continue on up, the whole market's with that strength. If the dollar actually keeps dipping there, La Bamba engaged. Dollar again one last time. This actually keeps dipping. S&P keeps running up from here, and Bitcoin goes right to 20K, and we're hitting $100 Litecoin any day now. That's kind of what should happen. That's what we expect to happen. It just might not happen till the new year though, right? Still, because we're that close to the turning point on it. So we can feel comfortable, confident crypto still, not worry about it. Maybe we don't hit 100 on Litecoin until then. To be reasonable about it. It's a good trader. And check out AMP for Kevin. I've been eyeing any opportunities on crypto. AMP is one of those potential ones. We'll see. Pretty low. It's pretty low right now. But it's the time when we would keep it on the radar. I'm gonna set an alert on it. And then even by tomorrow, it could be sitting down there. We're streaming tomorrow afternoon. I'm going, oh, AMP's all-time low. A bunch of alerts in place. Aren't gonna be needed anymore at the moment. See, like Chainlink $8 alert. Take a look at Chainlink itself. I don't know if Chainlink's gonna be able to hit 10 by the new year, just the next 2 weeks. Okay, so here's the last. Here's the last drop on AMP. There's a nice bounce trade. That's where we'd be waiting to target it again. Not really right here, but there's what we would want to see to get ready for that. It looks like that could happen. It's a good time to hold fire. I think most of you will be better off just not pressing any buttons for a few weeks. Wait till stuff like this does hit that level, then make the shot. So I'm impressed with Dash. Litecoin's already back at it. This is what's great about conquering magic number as well. Now that we battled it out magic number area, we kind of gained that ground on it. Litecoin should go back down from here. Normally it would. And it would still be totally fine. It really probably should do this. But it's probably gonna hold. It's probably gonna just chill up there and just fuck around for a couple weeks while all that other stuff hashes out. And then when everything else is popping off, it's gonna go beach one. So I just want everyone to be mentally prepared for that. Like, that's the battle plan right now, is be ready for it to fuck around this area stuff. Which is a good thing, because it's probably not going to go down now that we've conquered this territory. But it's probably not gonna hit $100 either, unless like the S&P goes over 400, unless the dollar goes under 105, all that. So it is like seeming pretty dependent on that right now, and well, just be ready for some fuckery there, a couple of weeks since it's so close to the new year. And then we'll get the real moves going with the new year. So S&P could like shake everyone out before that. And then it goes over 400 on the new year, right? It doesn't have to do that right now just yet. I don't trust it. So let's keep our cool there. Especially with Litecoin, not get too anxious about it even, of like, oh, there's gonna be a big move tonight or tomorrow. There doesn't have to be. And we almost did. We almost sent it to 100 right there. But of course, Bitcoin is still fucking around 17, and there's no reason it has to happen right now. We just are gonna be like maintaining this value on it. While we sort out all the other stuff in the markets. Litecoin needs to go into the shadows and take a chill pill while the dollar goes crazy. And then I'll have his time to shine after all that. This stuff's kind of taking priority with other bigger markets. Okay, major markets. Maybe we'll get some drop opportunities on crypto in the meantime, like Ant. Of course, Jasmine's pretty low. Potential double downs, if it makes sense, like within reason. Anyone who's been holding that. Balance type charts have been the strong ones lately, have been the green ones lately, the most red. These ones might really surprise people. It wouldn't be a surprise to us though, because because we're ready for it. Maybe Bitcoin holds around 17,000, doesn't really get much further, but meanwhile Jasmine bounces back a few %. Meanwhile, Met and actually goes for it. Okay. This Altcoin market cap. I'm basically in the middle of this box. Well, what does that mean? Well, it's not breaking down. Crypto hasn't really been crashing for 7 months. I'm pretty steady there. 500 billion way down here. This 500 billion target on it short term. But we're trying to clear over 500 billion. Maybe it fucks around there a couple more weeks till the new year, and then we clear the 500 billion. See how like all those charts, it's just every single one has like a critical level. It's right under or whatever that they haven't gotten yet. If it was already over, it would be like, okay, it's gonna do it right now. Even if it does, even if it does and we spike up though, probably not gonna clear this major level until the new year. Go up to 1 trillion, the real target area, like 500 is not a fucking target. A double on the altcoin market, right? 500 billion to 1 trillion. So we're really after, and it's like, that's not gonna happen in the next 2 weeks. So it's probably just gonna chill or fuck around a bit, and we'll just laugh at it or accumulate or look for opportunities, wait for the new year, stick to the plan, stay calm, hold strong, ignore the FUD, just like that title. It's definitely not bearish. It's strong. Is it bullish right now? It's more like been trying to turn around into that. Bitcoin never had the end of year rally because of the FTX FUD, really. There's the FTX on the dunk right there. Like a month ago. I was caught in a major panic selling and paper handing, and Bitcoin was never really able to get that end of year rally, so that's what's great about the altcoins. A lot of them have. I think you all understand Litecoin right now. It's cooking up something epic for sure. We all know it's going to 100, it's just a matter of time. So already impressive to like double 40 to 80 during the fucking FTX crash FUD and everything. And it's probably just not gonna hit that next real target till the new year. Alright, cool. We can wait, but we'll be patient. I want to make it very clear today and make sure everyone's on the same page with all this right now, so you don't get confused or FOMO into anything. Dollar just goes up tomorrow. Like if this is going up tomorrow, there's gonna be more red coming through S&P that drops right back down. Like maybe Bitcoin has another shakeout, 17,000, whatever, right? So don't FOMO, man. It's a big mistake to like FOMO into this kind of stuff, thinking this is gonna keep going right now. This. It's shoot chat. Long time no see. Way more reasonable, choppy mind games retouch some lower levels before they actually break out. See if there's any other altcoin developments. We're actually gonna wrap things up very soon because I just wanted to have a brief show today. Run through all our important developments. And we can do it again tomorrow. Street chat says, yo, you called the DPU market crash right on time for the win. Ethereum says, couple mountain calls up 100%, I think. I'm curious. These are sketchy ones, but they're down so low that doubling down would make sense within reason. So that would be pretty reasonable to get a snapback on it, but maybe not over the next 2 weeks, right? I might not make it there till the new year. Let's be reasonable. That's the only catch right now. It's like stuff's primed and ready. We should be able to hit some nice targets. A lot of these stuff. But I think lots more chop, more build up still perhaps to the real finale. It's just like, okay, let's take. I'm actually gonna go back to negative materials and I see this. We just ran out of time with the end of year rally. It never had to finish December. So every time I've been talking about end of year rally, I've just been meaning like going into the end. Since it's not over yet, like we haven't got the finale. I think there's some more build up and then the finale on the new year. Hey Robert. Not even Nano's move. If Nano hasn't moved, I'll be one of that first, isn't it? Is the buying pressure there of those orcs? very stable, but yeah, the catch on it, it's like as strong as Nano is, and it's not bearish. Is it bullish? Is it ready to full send? I could do this for 2 more weeks and then go. There's no telling really what day until we actually get those alerts. Like if it's been flat that long already, even though it looks so primed and ready. Yeah, like 3 weeks. A couple more weeks building up, then we get the finale on the New Year rally. So that'll be a piece of cake, nothing to worry about, we'll get through that easy. So maybe some more accumulation if we're adding some altcoins. But like, with how stable they are we gonna get any drop opportunities there? We'll get all these shots up, balance, right? If it wasn't for everything else being sketchy right now, I'd be like, these are fucking Litecoin's gonna hit $100 right now. Like, they're gonna pop off right now, but everything else kinda up in the air tomorrow. We haven't got like any real follow through on any of them. So even though it could full in right now, to be another spike, is it gonna get the real follow through? Probably not till the New Year, but damn, it's so strong. Looks so good still, there's no problems with balance here at all. For like months now. Clean chart, a straightforward chart. Yeah, I was breaking the whole downturn. Balance, or restoring the balance. Crypto markets. Oh hell yeah, very much on its way for 500% targets, $20 there. With those spikes, it was getting exciting, like, oh shit, we might hit it real soon. And it fucking totally would if it wasn't for the S&P being sketchy and the dollar and everything and the New Year being so close. So that's all it is. That's the only catch. Probably just build up a bit more first and then we'll get the finale. That still smashes that soon enough. Now we just gotta surf some waves for the meanwhile. Use it for more accumulation, whatever. So Chainlink 669 under 7. We're watching a $7 breakout. It's running up us here. So now really we could call it a $7 shakeout even. Yeah, and that just, I don't doubt it, right? Like, or else why would I be saying such bullish targets about him all the time? I don't doubt Chainlink one bit. But the look to it right there at the moment doesn't give me confidence that it's gonna clear that area in the next 2 weeks. Very specific. Yeah, all this chop area it's been for 7 months. I don't think it's gonna leave there yet till the new year. Even though we were getting $7 breakout signals and the chart looks strong as fuck still. I don't doubt it one bit. So those are still gonna be important numbers. Keep an eye on $7 chain link. Right. Magic number Litecoin. Bitcoin 17K. There's really good kind of stuff there. Yeah, it's nice strength still. Alex, nothing to worry about. The selling action was back here weeks ago. This is all good. You can see how it might get stuck this area a bit longer though. So 17,000 still. Once over 17 it's primed already, more upside. If it's under 17 then it's stop hunting. Building up until we see it actually clearing through those alerts like the real the Bitcoin magic number 17777. Once we see it hitting that 18,000, all that completely clearing, I think that's totally reasonable. So maybe we kind of just ran out of time to pop off the very end of the year, and now we need to start a new one. Okay, some real targets. So if it wasn't for the dollar critical 105 like that, on its own move, I'd be like, Bitcoin's gonna smash right now. I'd say it's gonna keep going, but it does seem like it's gonna need some more time to sort out all those major markets together. I haven't seen really epic drop opportunities in crypto lately. These are really just all stock hunts, like Doge under 10, just shake out kind of stuff. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Is Doge gonna clear 10 cents in the next 2 weeks? Maybe not. But that's what I will keep an eye on. Found another one, YFI, under 7K. this isn't an actual breakdown. There's just a 7K stop point. We got the 7K breakout development back here. That's what it really is. That's a breakout. Retest success. But it is one of those critical numbers. 7K there. See how many of them there are. Where it's like they're primed and ready. It's the same with Chainlink at 7. Stronger resistance at 69K Bitcoin. That's true. Yeah, that's weird. It's funny. Bitcoin all-time high is like 69. Very nice. I don't think it actually ever hit 70 on any exchange. 69, right about. Or about 69, 420. Yeah, look at the nice discount we got on it. There's a lot of selling. We can take advantage of getting this cheap crypto. So I actually like Wi-Fi a lot under 7. Because I know Bitcoin goes up to 20, this thing's gonna pop off. Just building up like crazy there. So that's the one we catch right now. It's like, damn, as strong as that looks, as much bullish signals, breakout signals that we have coming in. There's reason to be excited. It's probably not gonna clear through that until the new year. But hey, that's something epic to look forward to. And the fun part's the journey, getting there together. Happy trading, y'all. Thanks so much, kind words of support. Have an awesome day and take care. Look out for those notifications. Doing more brief market recaps like that going forward. It's not always important to watch them the whole day long, but nice developments. Great job, everyone. Crew gonna kick some ass. We just gotta wait for the right time to strike. Until you see the whites of their eyes on fire. We'll get to those breakdowns. It's a matter of time. Like going chip daisy.